Let's see how to make your Instagram account private. Go to your Instagram account, go to your profile. To make your Instagram account private, first of all, make sure you are using personal Instagram account. As you can see, currently this account is a professional account, so you have to turn this off. So go to your settings and privacy. In settings and privacy, tap on creator tools and controls, and here tap on switch account type, tap on switch to personal account. Tap on switch to personal account to confirm. That's how. Just go ahead and convert your account to personal. Now to make this account private, from your profile, tap on this menu. In here, scroll down and under who can see your content section, tap on account privacy and turn on private account. Tap on switch to private and your Instagram account will be private in just few seconds. And as you can see, the lock option, this lock option means my account is now a private account. Thanks for watching.